Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with legit information wey go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say, men now don begin the yarn they give the leadership of the People's Democratic Party. Say in all their getting, in all their doings, may they make sure say Mr. Peter Obi return back to the PDP. One countryman wey dey go by the name Segun Sowunmi. He na a member of the People's Democratic Party. He na dey yarn say Mr. Peter Obi wey be the 2023 presidential candidate of the Labour Party. He na asset to the People's Democratic Party. And the PDP chieftain wey be Segun Sowunmi dey yarn this one during the interview wey he get with Tori people. And still for inside the interview, he now come dey drop some kind things wey men now go find funny and interesting. He now dey yarn say the People's Democratic Party they need to do everything within their power to make sure say they bring Mr. Peter Obi back into the People's Democratic Party. That is, the PDP need to make sure say whether na by dragging abi na by convincing, Mr. Peter Obi need to dey under the umbrella of the PDP. Oga Segun Sowunmi constantly let the general public they know during the interview say Mr. Peter Obi for inside the last election, the Southeast was very much excluded, but the man gets over 4 million votes. So like this now, my good people, the PDP chieftain wey be Segun Sowunmi don recognize say Mr. Peter Obi true gather force during the 2023 presidential election, and he no be the first person to testify. Even El-Rufai said we don't confess am. Say man no need to get an active governor for his state to conquer his state, and that na sake of Mr. Peter Obi influence. But no matter the matter, my good people, sake of the 2023 election and Mr. Peter Obi influence, Oga Omoyele Sowore, man will also be a presidential candidate and an activist. Him na don come outside come tell the general public say Mr. Peter Obi na man will be say the All Progressive Congress na plant am to distract the People's Democratic Party. During one interview wey Oga Sowore get with Tori people, na come dey yarn dey give the general public say Mr. Peter Obi coming on board for the 2023 presidential election was a strategy by the All Progressive Congress, and the reason why they bring out Mr. Peter Obi na because say they want to divide the votes of the People's Democratic Party. And if not for Mr. Peter Obi, all the votes wey he gets now for go to the PDP. But say a man wey youth dem like don come board, say a man wey youth dem value, a man wey come back see even dey stand for the youth. Now why the votes of the PDP can't dey divided? But however, my good people, the chieftain of the People's Democratic Party will be Segun Sowunmi in the yarn a different matter. He now dey talk for inside the interview wey get with Tori people. Say normally any deep thinking, any fair-minded Nigerian man wey dey for inside the political party wey men know as the People's Democratic Party, the greatest plus necessary step now to begin to get conversation about how they want to bring Mr. Peter Obi come back to the party. Now where the energy where they drive Mr. Peter Obi is very much organic. And him now constantly let men they know say the internal crisis, the things and things where they happen among key members for inside the People's Democratic Party, and the defections now we don't they rock the party. It they happen sake of the issues where many of them now don't live to linger. The issues where many of them no gree settle, and last if they no settle and the thing go continue to they destroy their party from the inside. Now onto this report too, my good people, anyhow the thing be for body, or if you be say you get contributions, if you be say you get comments, then no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put that your comments inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say Mr. Peter Obi in question, man will be the former governor of Anambra State, and man will still be the former presidential candidate of the Labour Party. Him now don't come outside come confirm am. Him now don't come outside come verify am 100%. Say once again, he go seek the presidency for the 2027 general election under the platform of the Labour Party. That is, he go still run for presidency still with the Labour Party for the year 2027. And him now don't also throw expo give the general public. Say that presidential election will go happen for inside the year 2027 go be his final attempt at the highest office of we nation Nigeria. That go be the second and the last time we go contest for presidency for inside we nation Nigeria. This declaration, so my good people, was made by Mr. Peter Obi for inside a video message where they in circulation on Labour Party their WhatsApp platforms, and then addressing a group of young supporters say im go still continue to dey run in the platform of the Labour Party. Im na member of the Labour Party and im go continue to be member. And no be lie, my good people. This is comment, so this is remark dey come in the middle of the report wey dey ground of a potential opposition coalition wey dey involve political figures like the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar and the former Kaduna State Governor wey be Nasir El-Rufai. And this proposed coalition was allegedly leaning towards adopting the African Democratic Congress as their platform. And then about the recent internal crisis wey dey for inside the Labour Party and the People's Democratic Party, Mr. Peter Obi na dey yarn dey give the general public. Say this internal crisis, there is a possibility say na external forces na orchestrate am. External forces na dey cook am and e dey aligned with the current administration. According to how the talk take come outside from im mouth, he say wetin dey happen currently for inside the Labour Party and the People's Democratic Party is caused by the government, and make men quote am anywhere. He say e get a time wey dem get problem during the time of Yar'Adua, and dem come go meet Yar'Adua as the president that year. The president that year, Yar'Adua, come call the INEC chairman, say he no want any problem for any party for inside we nation Nigeria. So the Labour Party, they were forced to fix their issue. But today, all the parties for inside we nation Nigeria get problem, and the system, the government is not doing anything about the matter. That to show say na deliberate attempt to destabilize opposition parties, and that's now one of the things wey im wan clean up. That's now one of the errors wey im wan correct if last im get the opportunities. He say normally the system, the government no go work well. They no go do things and things wey nice to the general public if strong opposition party no dey on board. If men now no dey ground to dey tell them say come, this thing una dey do like this, e no nice. This thing una dey do no make sense. Una correct am. If nobody dey to challenge them now go come get the morale to do things and things wey they go fit do. And most times the thing fit no favour the general public. Last the former governor of Anambra State now come dey call on the general public, come dey call on Nigerians, especially the youth, so make dem take active role in safeguarding democracy and ensuring electoral transparency. He na dey yarn say he will be 65 years old by the next general election, and that go be his retirement from active politics for inside we nation Nigeria. After that 2027 general election, if men elect am, fine, but if men no elect am, im don drop politics. This my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put that your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give on our legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our grey white green country, so we be Nigeria. And also, if you be like say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they come your side, and you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. Now my good people, me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go gather more intel for you. Try make it no go anywhere.